You read the title right. It's time for Burbhemion Rhapsody, Part 4. Hello. It is time for Burbhemion Rhapsody Part 4. I am going to be showing off the number 1 song that was chosen by me. I finally came up what to do. Comment down below whether you've seen or read the Harry Potter books, because I'm going to be doing the Hedwig theme from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So yeah, that is Hedwig's theme, and it was, that is Burbhemion Rhapsody Part 4, and I'm excited to see what Part 5 will be. Thank you.